Okay, it's unboxing, March 2025.
I'm gonna open this.
Okay, go ahead. Whoops, be careful. Go ahead.
I'm gonna open with this.
Okay. Sweetie,
Make it.
there we go. Okay.
Now, this is mine. And this is mine. And that is mine.
And what is this?
And this.
What is this? What is this?
And this. Mom is on the cover!
What's the name? United Latinas. Thank you, everyone. Unboxing, and I'm on chapter. Let's see. Oh my gosh, where's my chapter? Oh my gosh, look at this page. What page is that, sweetie?
Let's see what.
Page 61. There's the start of my chapter. Oh my God, my dedication. Oh my God, to my children, Naomi, Mateo.
Wait, where?
You inspire me every day. Thank you.
Let me try.
Extraordinary Latinas United.